Whoa! What does this graffiti say? Well, Darwin, take that burnout, boy! Guys, Lars here, bringing y'all another video. Yes, it is not raining. Thank you, Florida. Yesterday, in yesterday's ride, let me tell you guys, it was pretty insane because it was freaking raining so hard. But yeah, we're lucky it's sunshine today. Sunshine it is. Wheelies. Skirt. Oh, that was freaking crazy. That door was open. They're like, who the hell is this freaking pit bike moto vlogger? What is he doing on the trails? And literally there's no signs on the trail that say no motorized vehicles, so I've never seen one. They probably will, once they see this video and they know that, they're gonna be like, they're gonna put them up everywhere. But whoa, what does this graffiti say? Darwin. Oh, okay, Darwin was here. Whoa. Well, Darwin, take that burnout, boy. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm feeling a little crazy today, guys. Feeling a little bit crazy. My exhaust, I fixed it sort of, not fully, but like enough where it's not gonna pop off every second. Boy! I love pulling wheelies, man. I love it. Can't wait till I get super mode. I'm gonna be wheeling like left freaking, I'm gonna be wheeling everywhere. They're gonna call me Wheelie Bro. You guys hear that? I'm not MotoBroo no more. I'm Wheelie Bro. For everyone who's like, oh yeah, pit bikes aren't that reliable, I ride this freaking sucker a lot. And when I say like I go pretty hard on it. Like I don't mess around, and nothing's really like broken from just riding it. Of course, when I fell, some parts have broken, but that's like normal, you know. When you fall, things are gonna break. It's just part of life, you know. It's like when you get hurt, when you get your feelings hurt, you're gonna get back up, but you know, it's gonna be rough at first. I'm just sliding around here. Look at all the duckies though. That's for sure. Hey duckies, y'all chilling? Are y'all having a great freaking Friday? All right, me too. Alright, we good. We out here, gang, boy. Oh, that was a bad one. Wheelie Bro. I'm telling you, that's my new name, guys, is Wheelie Bro, because we going like a stealth dart through this traffic. Oh my god. missed all that cop on the left. I'm not looking back, but your boy is freaking... Your boy is out right in front of a cop, bro. I am gone. No, I'm telling you that for sure. Holy moly. That cop, I was sketched. I thought he was really gonna come after me. But I mean, like, my bike sort of looks like a Grom. And I have a plate on it. It's not real, but I feel like it helps a lot. For my mental state, it helps. I'm like, oh, I got a plate on, I'm good. I'm good. It's good, it's good. We good. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little adventure. Sorry it's cut short, but yeah. Stay tuned. I'm telling you guys, I got some supermoto videos in mind, and it's gonna be ridiculous. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more, subscribe. Alrighty guys,